Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing a modular engine tutorial in the new game, well not new but new to the channel, Stormworks Build and Rescue. So before I get into that, I'd like to say I've recently bought a new microphone. If you do want to check it out, there will be a link in the description below. Thank you. So let's get into it. We are now in the workbench and we are just going to start by putting the cemetery on. So I'm just going to make a little platform. If you do want to use this design in your creations, I am fine with that. First thing I like to do is get a crankshaft and build up a few. Then just get rid of these and then make a few going across like this. You can get rid of that front one. Then what you want to do, you want to get a drive belt, put it on like that. Then what I do, I get my cylinders and put them like this. Simple enough for now. Then you get a clutch and go like this. Then I get a starter and put it on top, and then you can turn cemetery off. Now I get a pump and put it on like that. Then you want to find yourself the cooling and just put it on. And that should be B. Yes, that is all good. And then get something to cool with, cool the engine down. So I just use these. Now once you have this is the basics. Then what I do, I get one of these and put that on the end here, facing upwards. And then a T-piece. Like this. Like that. Then it's very simple, just get air manifold, put it like that, and on this side a fuel. There are many ways you can get air. You can use an air filter, an air ram, these. You can use a load of stuff in here. I like to use the air filter. For my fuel, I just get a tank like that. So let's come down here to the cooling. For the cooling, it's very simple. I just hook them up. I go fluid in on the pump, goes to fluid content coolant B. And this goes to you. I'm just gonna get one of these, a T-piece, go like that, and then a T-piece here. And then just connect them up. So that's your cooling for the engine. Then what I like to do is the exhaust. I grab these and I'm just going to put them all the way along here, like this. And you can use anything you want to do with the actual exhaust. I'm going to use this. Oh, can't have one there. Just like that. And that is pretty much the basic done. What I do here, I get the electric engines, like that, and then I just put my propeller on there. You can attach anything you want onto there. To do the logic for the engine, I will be using a microcontroller from Mr. N Jersey. His link to the video will be in the description below. So I'm just going to paste that in like that, and then merge them in. Now I'm going to go into the logic. This is where stuff gets fun. So you want to go the RPS from any one of the crankshafts, and then the fans from this. The starter goes to the actual starter. The actual clutch goes to here. This goes to the electric engines. This goes to the throttle of the air. And this goes to the fuel. And if you had any gearboxes, you could attach them with this microcontroller here, but obviously we don't have any, so that's that. And to actually, for the logic, I get, well, you get a seat, and then go into logic, go into composite, and go to seat data, and engine data goes to this one. So that's it for that, and that is, I think that's it for the actual engine itself. Oh, and you see this constant number here will go to the actual clutch pressure. That is it. So if you just, oh, I haven't given that battery. You do need the battery. And then just hook everything up through this. Like that. And then just spawn it in. And then hop in the seat. One starts the engine. W puts more throttle on it. And the up and down arrows would do the actual the gearboxes. So yeah, that is the simplest modular engine that I could build. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.